it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I have got a Top Tip Tuesday video for you, and finally, it's taken a long while. I have run out of the seal. So this was the first seal that I had, and it's just run out. So let's change it by putting in a seal refill. So both Seal Plus and their respective refills come in these resealable bags. Sorry, pun not intended. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our bag, and you can just rip that, but I like to use a pair of snips. So just open up your bag, and as I say, it's a resealable bag. Alexa, stop. Sorry, Alexa for some reason decided that she was going to join in. So as I say, it is a resealable bag, and the original also comes in a resealable bag, which means if you're taking them to a crop or travelling, you can put them back in the bag. They do have, so the one with the carton does have a little cover, but just in case. So all you need to do is open up your case. The case is the same whether it's Seal or Seal Plus. So you just open it up, remove your complete used up seal. This, certainly in the US, is completely recyclable. I believe in the UK it is going to be recyclable in most places. I will probably break it down into its constituent parts and recycle the bits that I know I can. I'm slightly worried about the film. So here is my refill. So we've got, this side is all enclosed. This side has got areas to put stuff. We know this is where the nib, if you like, goes. So all you need to do is to line up the little holes on the back there, drop it in, put it back together the right way round, and you're good to go. So let me just, you do need to get it started. So the nib doesn't have adhesive, so you need to roll it through, and then there you go, good to go. I hope you found that helpful. As I say, I've been waiting to get to the point where I can change my refill so that I could show you how to do it, but there you are. I hope that was useful, really easy to do. You can swap out your Seal and Seal Plus refills, so if you've got one container and you're happy to swap between the two, absolutely perfect. And of course, if you do that, you can put the one you're not using back in its resealable bag. So thank you very much. If you want to come and join me in 9, 10, 11, 3 hours time, I will be live on my Facebook business page with our coffee and card event. So I would love to see you then. If not, I will see you again here very soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.